Guys, we're back. We're going fishing right now. It's me back. So we're at this lake my grandpa told me. It's beautiful, it's big. And we got a piece of mamaliga. And after we're gonna go catch some fish. Yeah, pretty much. So yeah. This is one of my favorite spots to come. My grandpa's like all the way back there. I think I'm gonna fish. See this place? It's so nice. Oh, there's a... Yeah, I don't know where to go. So yeah. I might just stay here because there's a lot of fish here. I just came here like a few minutes ago. So yeah. So yeah. So how am I gonna rig up my fishing rod? It's a Blackwater one, 2016 F200. I have been here like 3 times and I haven't got anything. I gotta be quiet because people are like right here. And yeah. Now I just got stuck. I'm gonna cast it now. Don't make fun of me. This is my like 5th. Oh my god, there's so many trees nearby. And that's the problem. See it right there. Oh. It's really low. I might just pick it up right now. Oh, there's a goldfish. I think I got one. Yeah, I got one. Guys, do you see them? Do you freaking see them? There's like 5 fish in the same spot. So yeah, I might just stop vlogging because there's water and I have a camera and not waterproof. So yes, sorry. I hope I catch a fish. Okay. Oh look, see them? There's one there. So Coco Marlin Q1. So yep, I'm gonna end up the vlog here. Bye.